A Japanese temple bell that survived World War II now has a beautiful new home at the Carter Center. Cast in 1820, the bell was created in Konu, a village that's part of Miyoshi City in Hiroshima Prefecture. It rang in the Shoganji Temple Tower for more than a century.
During World War II, the Japanese government issued an ordinance to collect metal to be melted down into ammunition.
Though Konu's bell was confiscated, it managed to escape its fate. Rather than becoming a weapon of war, it made its way to the Carter Center in 1985.
After that, they found out there's actually an inscription on the surface of the bell that bears the name and location of Shoganji Temple.
President Carter offered to return it, but Konu residents decided instead to build a replica. They installed it in its original tower in 1990 and invited President Carter to its dedication, where he offered a message of hope for world peace. Back in Atlanta, the original bell spent decades sitting silently in the Carter Center's lobby. Then in 2021, several organizations with ties to Japan decided to create a tower for it that would both serve as a symbol of the friendship between Japan and America and make it possible for the bell to ring out once more.
Our idea changed from building a tower to having carpenters in Japan construct a replica of the actual tower at Shoganji Temple.
Noritaka Kondo, a resident of Konu, was selected to oversee the job. Each piece of the bell tower was handcrafted from a single tree from a neighboring village, and the elements were shipped to Atlanta. Kondo flew over to supervise the team that reassembled it.
全く夢のようで現在でもですね、その通りです。夢です。
In the fall of 2022, friends and dignitaries gathered to dedicate the new tower.
The mission of the Carter Center is to wage peace, fight disease, and build hope. And this bell, more than anything, really symbolizes that.
平和の鐘の音色は、世界が平和であってほしいという皆さんの切なる思いとともに、アトランタ市内だけではなく、